Okay, we are live. Ntuse nga bulijjo odukuwa. As we talk right now, the first ever Uganda presidential debate is happening. Olia is okungamba is simple 2016 to a presidential debate. The first ever presidential debate to be attended by the President of the Republic of Uganda, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, is happening right now. NTV set up this debate, and it was supposed to happen today, Sunday. It is happening. Unfortunately, Muzei Talabiseko. A few days ago, the Secretariat of the NRM put up a notice, and they were saying their candidate won't be attending that debate. Most of us, we are waiting. After seeing that post made by Bobi Wine, when he said, I'm going to be live on NTV, telling the world the truth about the regime that has ruled Uganda for 40 years. Tubadde tusubira to have that one-on-one between Bobi Wine and Museveni. A man who has ruled Uganda for 40 years, and the man who has not ruled Uganda for even a single day, but is willing and ready to unseat him in the next presidential elections. Now, in 2016, that's when we had the first ever presidential debate. 2021, we didn't have one because we were hit with COVID-19. This time round, we have the second ever presidential debate. I know everyone was waiting okulaba ekifaananyi kya Bobi Wine ng'akwata Museveni. Ngenda kulaga what happened when Bobi Wine bwatuuse ku NTV, bwe batuuse mulongi bwe babadde bagenda okwetegekera ng'abuuza ku buli omu. That is the moment everyone was waiting for. Nga Bobi Wine atunudde Museveni mu maaso bw'ati. Because we know if they send you anywhere to look for a picture or a video, nga Bobi Wine akwata Museveni mu ngalo. Ever since we yatandika omuvuganya, someone will bring you that old picture where yamukwata mu ngalo nga besanze Makerere University ubali celebrating Nelson Mandela. But we are talking about a picture when Bobi Wine is a presidential candidate with Museveni. You will not find it anywhere. We were waiting for that to olunaku olwaleero. Njagala nkulaga ekibadde mu lobby weba meeting idde na meeting a different leaders na biki ebibaddewo right now. So first and foremost, bwatuuse aze ne mukyala we Barbara Itungo Kyagulanyi nga awerekeddwako leader of opposition Joel Senyonyi, awerekeddwako Secretary General David Lewis Rubongoya, awerekeddwako ne Chairman Nyanzi. I can see Madam Linda Zedriga, and of course that woman MP for Gulu City, because on Monday, is it Tuesday? It's going to be, or Thursday, it's going to be in Gulu. Now, this is what happened watuuse. Ng'omusajja yenna ategeerera ayagala eggwanga lye, ayagala okukulembera, asose meeting abakulembeze. That is a video footage nga meetinze Gregory Mugisha Muntu, one of the presidential candidates. Njagala ate owulire their conversation nga meetinze na buli kimu ekibaddewo. But please endeavor to subscribe, tap the screen, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section about all this. Katulabe ekibadde ku NTV nga Bobi Wine atuuse mu lobby babadde beteekateeka ate bagende boogere oluzungu. Share the video. Thank you so much.
That's right. Good to see you. Nelson, the national.
Nelson. Chirichite. Aristede. Kale. Yena. Yes. Nampome kwa mzee. Yotsa kale. Mulungi.
Kanuke wagira nakati luli wasooka akati gwana ebyokulira ategeza akajidde magezi kwesasuza magezi webale byonna naye kasitula natebalira tuyinza n'okufulumaano nga gavumenti tukimaze
Yes, President abuuza.
Agenda akende.
Let's keep it. Thank you.
Yes, President.
Preparation.
How are you? Western region, Bonna bakandi
You should get it.
Mbadde mbi yange gye bampambidde eyo.
Nange gye bampambidde. Embadde yiri eriibwa luzira kasipeeka kano yombi gye mbadde ku kyakazuuku.
Anakomawo kumaliza balansi. Balance one.
Tata Solo was Your Excellency.
Yes, madam.
May it please you to sit next to her.
No, enjoy. I would rather see her face. When I'm on the side, I don't see you sitting down behind.
Much obliged.
How are you, Madam Deputy?
Excellent.
Again, President wali mu nyumba era anytime tugenda ku debate ebyemiti Museveni yatudde n'atabonekako naye era President ensonga ngenda zitaanya bulungi nnyo ezikwata ku future yaffe ya Uganda.
Tugenda tuwamujesiwana abantu babuuliriza obapuletinga ku kintu kyekiriwo mutuliwa
Mutugenda mu debate nkozesa lulimi ki? Akozesa luzungu. N'oluzungu President
lwaki si lusoga
baana ekirungi mwakete enjulu nkoba olusoga
bantukobye mu lusoga
Abannayuganda mwena mwetegeke mukole ki tugenda kulyoboka aye nga President atukobera oluzungu.
Musaba taboyiseeko
oyo ndo mutiitizi tayidi kulyoboka tayidi nkyobona